So today I will take apart this weather sensor. This is the inside unit. I do not know where the outside unit is. But first let's take a look at the display before opening this up. The display displays the inside temperature and humidity. It would display the outside temperature and humidity if a sensor was connected to the thing with the wireless. It also displays the current time in 24-hour time. It displays the current day, month, day, and it should display the phase of the moon, but it says nothing in there. And by pressing a button I can switch it from 24-hour time to 12-hour time. But I cannot figure out how to switch it to displaying the temperature in Fahrenheit. So I will take this thing apart. So the device has 2 Phillips screws in the back, and inside the battery compartment it also has 2 Phillips screws. So this is what is inside the weather sensor. There is a piezo beeper for making those beeping sounds, and there is a wireless module with antenna around here. There is a humidity sensor here. And where is the temperature sensor? Might be in the same box as the humidity sensor. There are some capacitors here, the main control chip, and some wires going to the buttons, and the wireless antenna module. The keypad is connected to the main board using 6 wires. These are the 8 buttons. These rubber pieces will press onto these traces, which completes the circuit and tells the controller, this chip, to do something. Now I will remove the main board. On the other side of the main board is the display. Now we'll remove the display. So these are the contacts for the display, and the display gets its signals through this piece of rubber, which is pretty interesting. Underneath this humidity sensor is the temperature sensor right here. And there's also a crystal for more accurate timekeeping for the clock. So this is what is inside of a weather sensor. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.